Moon Platoon, 25,000. $4 million. Those are the two numbers you need to make sure you pay attention to by the end of this video. What's going on? Let me turn on this light. Bam! Let there be light, let there be likes in this video, and let us talk about what we need to talk about today. AMC, as well as a brand new opportunity for you guys to invest in something else. So I want to be able to talk about these two stocks. I want you guys to say, hey, if you're more interested in AMC, get to the AMC parts. If you're more interested in this brand new opportunity, get to those parts. Either way, smash that like until it matches the number of people in here, because my name is Andrew. I'm a data scientist here in Silicon Valley, and we have an investigation to solve. First things first, let's take a look at the options chain. $4 million right at $25 strike. Who is putting that there? This is the options chain. If you have never played the options market, it gives you a sense of when the next gamma squeeze is going to happen, at the very least when the next gamma ramp upward to a brand new strike price right here at $40. So the equal amount of calls at $40 strike as there are at $25 strike. Well, in that case, we have to do the investigative work to be able to pull where that final expiry date is going. December 17th. So we are looking at someone being very sure, being in the money, that AMC is going to be rolling up to whatever strike price. However, when it comes to in the money strikes, those are going to have to be explained by something else. Why? We've seen in the money puts and in the money calls before, but when it comes to calls, those are usually hedge fund manipulation of slapping the price right at where a bot or some other algorithm can pick it up on the far left side of the options chain. But before we dive too much into it, let's talk about learning some languages. I invested in Duolingo when around the IPO. I'm not going to tell you where, but I will tell you that I love learning new languages. So groundswell of excitement in the global $44.3 trillion mobile application market. If you are more interested in AMC stuff, skip to this timestamp I'll put in the description down below. Clickstream Corp could be your front row seat to the best opportunity in the industry. Hyper fast growing social language learning app HeyPal, Parlez-vous major opportunity. The global direct to consumer D2C language learning market could nearly double by 2025, reaching the staggering $115 billion, and led by digital, delivering 3x growth in just 5 years. There's a massive opening for Clickstream's marquee app HeyPal. It's a unique app that is actually a user-to-user language exchange, allowing anyone from around the world to learn a new language through interactive chat and social posts. I absolutely love that. So that's the ticker right here, CLIS. We are looking at a app that people honestly love. There have been 367,000 downloads since the app has been beta launched less than 8 months ago in the iOS App Store, and it's snowballing. Downloads from September to October 2021 alone surged by over 16%, for instance, there. So same thing when we took a look at Adam Aron over the weekend, saying we need to hear the big news on Sunday. You'll want to be able to join AMC Stubs Premier A-List, only 99 cents first month, Investor Connect for AMC shareholders. You guys know when I'm jumping into an AMC movie theater, I'm showing my shareholder pass. I'm showing off the badge of honor. I'm an AMC stakeholder and proud. So hopefully you guys have caught up with the Twitter and Instagram worlds, where I will be announcing alongside the CEO of Adam Aron, CEO of AMC himself. You guys don't want to miss out. Follow us, and that will make you eligible for future raffles, which will have one, thanks to your patience, by the end of this video. All right. Hey, pal. If you're wondering how the app makes money, let's not forget Facebook paid humongous $21 billion or $55 per user for WhatsApp. Why? Well, the simple answer is it's an actively engaged and growing user base. The company's already seeing incredible growth. For one, the language learning space has become a bit tired with flashcards, boring lessons, and other impersonal tools. It took me forever to really get used to Duolingo, really. And now they're getting a little bit more interactive, a little bit more engaging. Now I think there's a lot more value to the average person who has so much time during the cold winter months. The pandemic is over. Is it? I can't go outside. I'll learn a new language. It's a fantastic way to be able to invest your time. In addition, over the last 5 months, growth has been off the charts. HeyPal's user growth rate of 100,000 downloads per month exceeds traditional learning apps like Rosetta Stone, which also gained 90,000 downloads in the last 30 days, indicating a shift away from traditional language learning and towards social learning. HeyPal's average app session time is 15 minutes and 53 seconds, well above the 5-minute benchmark, showing users love the platform. Moving forward, the company will soon launch HeyPal trademark paid subscriptions, launch PenPal, a Tinder-like matching feature to pair language natives and learners. I've been through my fair share of hackathons. These are pretty great ideas. And at the very, very end, I'll link this article down below so you guys can also take a look. There are clickstreams going into beast mode with Joey's Animal Kingdom, the sweet sound of upside potential with Nifter's music NFT marketplace, and then Clickstream Corp United States OTC Pink CLIS is financially sound. So here's that financial position analysis. You guys know I don't want to bog you down with too much of the financials. It really is ending up a momentum play or a fundamental play. So at the end of the day, that is your decision. I'm not your financial advisor. You got to check out the link in the description down below. So AMC, to close out the day, we are looking at 15.78% on the short interest for AMC. That's what we check on the live streams. That's what we check on the daily. But right now, while I was going on the Duolingos, learning my French, learning my Italian, I'm currently in Europe. And I want you guys to know that I'm interviewing you. I'm interviewing you guys over on Europe. If you guys have financial freedom journeys that you guys want to be able to talk about, I'm here to talk about them with yours truly, Meatball over there and me. If you guys like this video, make sure to understand that we are constantly diversifying what our portfolios are. Our 6-figure portfolio is over on Patreon, and the people that have supported us on YouTube by becoming members of the Moon Platoon, you guys get nice Meatball Coin badges, which means you probably will have priority when the real Meatball Coin cryptocurrency or just a fun little altcoin comes out. That's a little teaser for you. So if you guys have been working with either people in that cryptocurrency space, or you are trying to work on projects yourselves, you want to hear what a data scientist in the cryptocurrency space wants to be able to investigate, research, and build with you, then drop an email down to andrewmobusiness@gmail.com, and I'm excited to be able to see you guys and your messages and your content on Instagram and Twitter. Once again, the raffle is going to be this simple. Comment down below what was your favorite part of this video, what you want to see more of, and say, "Hi, Professor Meatball." If you do, we will find a clip. We'll pick someone from the next live stream, which you guys do not want to miss. Make sure to slam that bell so that you don't miss a single thing. For now, but not for forever, those two tickers, AMC, CLIS, are all on the board, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great one. Peace.